yesterday I was doing this particular sum. I have not got the correct answer because there was lot of distraction by a small child there. A child kept distracting. And however good you are, when your mind is, if you have lot of distraction, you cannot do the work properly. But at the same time, we have to try to do the work and try to complete it. Because whenever you want to do something in your life, people keep on distracting. See, that is the reason I am uploading that video. Because don't seek any ideal place or ideal time, and to start any work, you don't require a birthday or New Year or Raukala, Yamakanda, and so many things are there now with astrological things and all. Don't. Any time is any day is good. If it is Sunday, I can't start, or it is 2 o'clock at night, I can't start. See, anything, any moment you have to start and do it. Life like. Therefore, I am doing the same sum without any distraction in on college. There I am doing, see how good is. But I like to do with lot of distractions because life is full of distractions and you have to overcome and do that. Therefore, I advise all the students, it is a very, very precious time in your life. Another 3 months or 4 months for your exams. Within this productive age, you try to do it. At the same time, don't lose your what is that, other activities also. Right? Whenever the time, specific time, you study. Okay? See now, y is equal to y log x. Now what is dy over dx? Log box is 1 by box into differential coefficient of the box. Differential coefficient of log x is what? 1 by x. You know what? Differential coefficient of log x is what? 1 by x. Whereas differential coefficient of log box is equal to 1 by box into d by dx of the box. Now, in the box consists of x log x. Here also x log x. Now, here, this is u into v, is it not? U into v. Differential coefficient of u into v is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. That I am going to apply here, u into v. Therefore, 1 by x log x, u into v. I keep this x, differentiate with respect to x log x, plus log x keep constant, d by dx of x. I kept this, I differentiated this, I kept this out. Therefore, x log x is what? 1 by x plus log x. Differential coefficient of x is what? 1. Now x get cancelled. Therefore, 1 by x log x into 1 plus log x. Okay? 1 plus log x. Therefore, dy over dx is equal to 1 plus log x by x log x. Or you can do this 1 by x log x plus log x, x log x. Just put the LCM. Here log x cancel. Therefore what? Dy over dx is equal to 1 by x log x plus 1 by x. Please check it again. Here 1 by box x, x, u into 1 by x. Correct. Everything is correct. Here this you can do two method. U by v. Differential coefficient of x u by v, you can do it. See, this is the answer, dy over dx, you got it, you can stop here. Now when I ask you for second derivative, d square by dx square, there is the first method. You can apply u by v method, right? U by method or this method, split up method. Here d by dx of 1 by x log x plus d by dx of 1 by x and by it. See, there is some formula, differential coefficient of 1 by x. What you do? Change the sign. 1 into 1, increase the power by 1. Suppose differential coefficient of minus 3 by x to the power of 4. How to do this? Shortcut. Change the sign. Change the sign. 4 3s are 12 and increase the power by 1. You understood? Suppose d by dx of minus 3 by x to the power of 7, say. Some instead of 7 I got some box. What do you write? Some extra. What do you write? Change the sign. 3 into 7. Increase the power by 1. And again d by dx of that box. Here what happens? D by dx of box is not. Whenever it is a denominator, what you write? Change the sign. This is the box now. 1 into 1, 1. Increase the power by 1. Into differential coefficient of that box. The box is x log x. Plus, here what happens? Change the sign. 1 into 1, 1. Increase the power by 1. Look. Now, d square y by dx square is equal to, what I am writing is z minus, here u into v, no? Directly I am doing x, differential coefficient of log x dot 1 by x plus log x into differential coefficient of x is what? 1 divided by x log x. Here what? Plus and minus 1 by x square. Here what happens? Get cancelled. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus 1 plus log x by x log x minus 1 by x square. If you want minus 1 by x, you can take common factor. 1 plus log x by log x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x is empty common factor. Further, if you want to simplify, you can simplify 1 by log x plus log x by log x plus 1 by x. Therefore, minus 1 by x, 1 by log x plus 1 plus 1 by x. This is the answer, I got it. See, some students, they may start doing this one. They got this dy over dx. You got this, isn't it? 1 plus log x by. Therefore, how to start with? There is a formula. Differential coefficient of u by v equal to what? Denominator square into denominator. Differential coefficient of numerator minus interchange u dv by dx. This. Same way here, what I am going to do this? This I want to do again. Second derivative. Second order derivative. What do you get? U by v. Denominator square into denominator into differential coefficient of numerator minus, you write numerator into differential coefficient of denominator x log x. So how big it is? It's taking a lot of time. Therefore, x log x, put a flower bracket, differential coefficient of 1 is 0 plus log x is 1 by x. Therefore, this one will cancel later. Minus 1 by log x. Here what? U into V. You keep this differential coefficient of log x plus log x d by dx of x divided by denominator. Let us see what happens. Here this would cancel. This is equal to log x minus 1 plus log x. Put a flower bracket. X differential coefficient of log x what? 1 by x plus log x into 1 dx by dx is 1 divided by denominator. They both get cancelled. That is equal to log x minus 1 plus log x into what? 1 plus log x by denominator. That is equal to d square by dx square is equal to log x minus 1 plus log x the whole square by denominator. You can stop here. Therefore, this type of sums, I don't know, maybe right or wrong. Then go through the key book, refer your teacher's notes also, or your tuition notes, or any other friends, discuss with friends, find out appropriate answer. Okay? One sum you can do in different way. Okay? Therefore, this is the exercise 5.7, problem number 9, with a lot of distractions we have done last class because of the child. Again, we have done it. Who knows, this may be wrong also. But you will get to know where you gone wrong. Okay? Thank you.